natin yan sa Jadine, tapos ngayon yung latest, 'di ba?
Yes.
Tapos kayo, ang aldab. Bakit hindi naging sila?
Um,
Magpapakamatay na kami sa kilig dito.
yeah.
In real life, bakit hindi?
Ang hirap kasi
Di ba yan ang tanong nila?
yes.
Bakit hindi naging kayo? Ngayon pa married na si May. Ano
Yun
bang
nga parang,
nangyari?
quite honestly, Maine and I had a conversation, like a heart-to-heart conversation. Recently lang, before she
Got married?
got married. And then I told her everything. And at the end of the day, it's your differences that will determine whether you will make it or not. And your priorities in life. Going back to what Mr. Toviera said, hindi pasikatan, pahabaan. So, and hindi paramihan ng trabaho, kundi hanggang kailan ka nandyan.
Dati, akala ko it's the quantity. Padamihan ng show, padamihan ng
Yan.
ginagawa. Now it's about the quality of what you're doing.
Yes, totoo po yan.
Di ba?